Give me hello. Hi everyone, my name's Aaron. I'm here, I'm going over the Revolt card and the benefits on it. First of all, you've got cryptocurrency on there, and you get cash back on certain places. You get 10% on Amazon. So if you're a big Amazon shopper, then you know it's very beneficial towards you. 10% cash back. And also, if you are traveling abroad, it gives you 0 interest when you're using your card abroad. Unlike these, what do you call it, the post office cards, where it gives you sort of like, where you can only use a certain amount of currencies there on the post office card. I can remember I was going to Czech Republic, and you know, to use Koroma or something like that, and they didn't have that on there. So it's very beneficial to have this card for that. And also the cryptocurrency, you can see all the different currencies on there, and you can click on it, and it tells you the history of it and how it's done over the last 5 years or whatever. And if you know, I'm not an expert on crypto, but I'm sure that you people who have been doing it a while know how to navigate it. But if you got any tips, I'd love to know them. And you order the virtual card, you make 3 transactions over £5, and you get £50 as a startup. You can't go wrong there. You're just getting £50 for free. Think about it. You'd be a fool not to sign up to this Revolt card. There is nothing, no obligations. I use it myself when I got bloody direct debits which are coming out, which I think, okay, I'll pay that on the second direct debit. So you know, I got my I can always put money in there, and say for instance I'm going out with the boys or whatever, I can always have some backup, you know what I mean, and I know that nobody's going to touch that money, you know, because that's a secret virtual account. Yeah, so sign up. I've sent a few links on Facebook. It's not a scam. You do generally get the £50 after 3 transactions, and yeah, have a couple of drinks, man. Have a couple of drinks on me. Here we are.